Thanks for watching this RealHomeRecording.com video. You can get monthly audio engineering news and exclusive videos by signing up for our newsletter.
A bunch of frickers around the internet,
myself included,
told you about DistroKid, but we never told you how to use it. In this video,
that all changes.
After you have spent weeks, months, or maybe even a year or two creating your music, you probably want a lot of people to be able to stream or buy it, right? The problem is there are gatekeepers out there, and even if you do get past those gates, filling out a lot of forms takes a lot of time. That's where companies like DistroKid come in, and in my opinion, DK is the best one among them in terms of price, ease of use, and in general, being good to musicians. And there's been a lot of guys around YouTube who have DistroKid as a sponsor, but those little frickers never showed you how to use the website. So I'm going to in this video. Okay, so here's the website. I'm gonna maximize this to make it a little bit easier. So, blah, blah, blah. Upload as much as you want, keep 100% of your royalties. Actually, that's probably the two biggest selling points of DistroKid, is that it's inexpensive, you keep 100% of the royalties, and basically virtually unlimited uploads. I'm sure there's some limitation to that, but I haven't run into it personally, and I've actually been helping a musician upload their music for the past, I would say about 3 weeks. And that's just because there's been back and forth with details and whatnot. You sign up right here, they send you an email to confirm everything, and then the next step, I have to enter my details, which I'm going to censor. So once I hit the sign in button, it takes me to the My Music page. I'll show you guys around. So basically, I'm gonna go to the account page, and I have to censor a few things on here, but as you can see, we got the Musician Plus plan. Now, they don't tell you that up front, but there are features that most people would like that are included in Musician Plus. And I recommend it, even though it's an extra $15. You should still get it. Actually closer to 16, but anyway. You get more stuff with the Musician Plus. This webpage actually gives you the details, and they break it down very easily for you. And that is, you can share it among 2 people, daily stats, you can customize your label, and the release date. See, all this stuff, this is stuff I actually want. If I had a record label, I would get this plan obviously, because $80 a year, not an issue, right? So anyway, I recommend the Musician Plus program because it's not that much more money. Anyway, let me show you what the upload page looks like.